side, right? That's your left side. Alright, my brothers, another record day, so I decided to just show you my tower speakers, what I have. I take it off all these nonsense stuff, so I'm running from the YouTube streaming, and on the Denon I'm running, it's only the amplifier I'm using is the Denon. So make sure you guys use your headphones. So let's see, I'm gonna show you, walk around what we're doing here, right? So yeah, recording device is gonna be Zoom F6 32 bits, float is lossless recording. Also, so I'm powering from my power bank. The microphone is the Rode microphone. Only the microphones I can find it's doesn't distort even the 150 decibels, right? So two of them, left and right channel. Make sure you guys use your headphones. And this is my tower speakers. So let's take this way. This is a 15-inch Lawachis. I'm running like open baffle because open baffle is a total different sound experience. So we're gonna run the Lawachi and the Selenium drivers and Dayton Audio. Only adjustments I have here, it's gonna be for Selenium's drivers because this guy is very sensitive. It's plays a lot louder. So I cut them a lot, right? On the both side. So on the bottom we have Dayton Audio 15-inch subwoofers. This is one of the best subwoofers. I tried so many subwoofers on my previous video, you guys can watch it. So these guys, even the lowest volume, you can hear amazing bass. I can use a different the subwoofers, but you know, this is the best setup. Then an amplifier, I'm using that to power all this setup. Before I build everything, I write down all the options what they have on the Denon, and I was configuring everything on the paper. How these guys, for example, I'm going to cut at the 3000. So quick explanation what's going on here. Lavachis, this guy's tuned from 50 hertz to all the way to 3000 hertz. This Seleniums is going to pick up at the 3000 hertz, goes all the way to 15,000 hertz. After 15,000 hertz, not much left. So the next from 15,000 to 26,000, Dayton Audio is going to be covering everything. This guy I tuned, Dayton Audio subwoofer, I tuned at the 33 hertz. I'm going to show you in the minutes or next video what is the 33 hertz means. Like I can go down to 18 hertz, but there is no good sound quality at the 18 hertz. If only the bass head to move air, right? But you're not gonna hear any kind of, you know, good sound. So let's go. I have a bunch of music, but unfortunately I cannot play all these amazing musics. You see, this is the list what I'm streaming from YouTube, and also is a bunch of streaming services. You guys know better than me. So this is the list of what I'm listening so far. I highly suggest you guys to listen this music right here from Jennifer Warrens, and this is my favorite to listen. Daniel Castro, right? And also it's the Ghost Rider. It's amazing sound, and so on. There's so many good music is going on here. I have to take care of you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and record like 4 or 5 musics, and actually copyright musics to just show you guys how great this speaker sounds, and you can just hear listen those sound details, right? Even the copyright sounds, I'm not gonna monetize them, so I'm not gonna, I hope I'm not gonna get the copyright strike, right? So all these good music is gonna be the same playlist, so you guys can listen it. All right guys, let's start. We're not gonna use, as I say, copyright music. We will use what we own the music and what we have right to use it. So on this setup, we're gonna run only the top speakers, open baffle, so you're gonna see the sound and the bass, and later on I'm gonna add the subwoofers, so make sure you guys using your headsets. Let's go. Alright, this is little introduction. There is not much stereo separation on this music, so if you're thinking, oh, it's not going to stereo, that music itself, it's like that. So let's see the different music. Alright, all these on just the top 15-inch open baffles. Now we're gonna add just a subwoofer by clicking one button. Alright, and look, listen this, the same thing. It's gonna be explode your headphones if you have a decent headphones. Right side, right? That's your left side.
I see them paying the play, they be paying for pussy, my nigga, I'm paying my dues. They cannot see me unless I'm on TV in times when they happen to turn on the news. I am not worried about shit with the money, cause you cannot buy shit with all of them views. I've been on 10 like 4th grade, same nigga but I'm more paid. Lame niggas throwing more shade.
I apologize this every time when we have some rap kind of stuff. That's always a BS, absolutely. So this is for rap or the trap lovers. Let's play some guitar music. All right. As you can see, just a guitar, but when I add the woofers on the bottom, you can hear really bad rattling from my fireplace and on my the glass on my back, so my windows, right? Let's play the different one with the open baffle setup. Alright, so here we have another music, so I'm gonna just play first part on the open baffle speakers, so it's going to be just from middle and top. And the next part, just the same portion, I'm going to play with the woofers. So make sure you guys are using the headphones, right? Let's go. That's what we have. As you can see, your headphones, I know it's exploding, right? If you have decent headphones. All right, my brothers, this is it for today, but I have to take care of you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and record like 4 or 5 music, actually copyright musics, to just show you guys how great this speaker sounds, and you can just hear listen those sound details, right? Even the copyright sounds, I'm not gonna monetize them, so I hope I'm not gonna get the copyright strike, right? So all these good music is gonna be the same playlist, so you guys can listen it. When I choose the Denon first, I read every single settings, what you can set up, how you adjust the settings, and after then I build all the speakers. So these speakers are universal, the exit outputs, you can do everything as a separate connection. So I choose every single capacitor different to adjust and cover the sound level, the frequency level through the wide range. So by clicking one button on the Denons, so you can switch like subwoofers, like a super loud or super bassy without going to settings, adjusting. You just one click and it's going to be total different sounding system. And only the one click is going to be straight the pure what the receiver inputs, that's going to be output. So if you trying to build a home sound system, make sure you write every single bullet points, and based on that you can do it. So definitely watch my other videos. So I will play the guitars, I say, separate all these the copyright musics. I'm not gonna once again, I'm not gonna monetize them, but it's gonna be available for you to listen, right? So see you on the next video. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, definitely subscribe it. You're gonna make me very happy on that. See you on the next video.